Hey.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing all my puppets and fidgets. So let's get into it. So my favorite one, and my broken one. My broken one, least favorite, because it's broken. And this is my, I guess, my favorite. That's my favorite. And this one was my favorite.
You have lots of favorites.
Freaking broken. Least favorite. Oh, I got two of these, so favorite. And Baby Yoda in the house. Baby Yoda in the house.
Oh.
So favorite. My favorite.
Camo, Baby Yoda.
Obviously a unicorn, so probably my favorite. Oh, and the Xbox controller. Favorite. These wristbands. All these wristbands. My poppy wristbands. Favorite. Obviously. Favorite. I got two of these, so favorite. And Baby Yoda again. Favorite.
Another Yoda.
Two of these, so favorite. And a dinosaur, so Simple Dimple, favorite.
Simple Dimple.
And another one.
It's so simple.
PS4 controller, favorite. And also this, favorite. These are my puppets, my fidgets, and don't forget to like and subscribe.